If you're interested in Mobiecom, here are some resources that we made available. We have a website, mobiecom.tech. We have a quick video, 30-second video on what is Mobiecom. And that we also posted the speed comparison video on YouTube as well, so you can have access to that. We also have several demo sites for Mobiecom if you like to see what Mobiecom looks like and what behavior it has. You can use it on idc.mobiecom.tech, that Mobiecom running against the IBM Digital Commerce. We have Mobiecom running on version 9, that's wine.mobiecom.tech. We have Mobiecom running on version 8, and that's demo.mobiecom.tech, and that's just basically apparel. And we also have Mobiecom running in production, version 7, FAP8, and that's bishco.com. The main message that we wanted to have conveyed today is headless commerce needs a head, WebSphere Commerce needs Mobiecom. So next, we're going to take a look at how Mobiecom can help you with your transition to other versions of WebSphere Commerce. The main idea here is to leverage the capabilities that WebSphere Commerce have and Mobiecom together. So with Mobiecom, you can launch a new site, or you can use it in your migrations. If you're building a new site, then I would recommend using Mobiecom and version 9, and we can launch you in 6 to 8 weeks without any customization. And that is if Mobiecom can provide all the functionality that you need, then the only thing we need is to load data and style it. So we feel that we can do a 6 to 8 week onboarding, 2 weeks for catalog loading, 2 weeks for styling, 2 weeks for integration with your backend, and 2 weeks to set up the site in the cloud, and that's the cloud infrastructure. And we can also add your favorite CMS for content. And the idea here is to support zero migration in the future, because that rests in the beauty of the REST API. We can point the front end, which is Mobiecom, to any version, including the SaaS version of IBM IDC. We can preserve your user experience, your investment in the storefront. And we can promote content. Content is king, and we continue to be king in our solution. Next, we're going to take a look at migration. So the reason a lot of companies are looking at migration is due to the fact that version 7 is going to be end of support by April of next year, 2020. So customer will need to migrate to version 8, version 9, or IDC. So why would customer look at version 8 migration? So version 8 has the same architecture as version 7. It's the tightly coupled application, but it feels very safe. IBM has lots and lots of companies running on version 8. And we can leverage your customizations through the RESTful APIs to continue to use your unique customization, unique assets in Mobiecom. So we can use Mobiecom as a new front end to gain speed if that's what you would like to have. We can lift and shift your legacy application code on the back end. If you look at version 9 migration, then version 9 is a modern architecture. So your old front end won't work, or it can work in a lift and shift manner, but you won't be leveraging the true new architecture of version 9. So in this case, you can use Mobiecom as a new storefront as your front end. We will leverage your customizations through REST APIs, so you can continue to benefit your unique assets and your business rules. And with that, we will minimize your future integration. So version 9 releases now are on a monthly schedule. So there are a lot of new features and capabilities that releases on a monthly basis. And so we can apply these releases to your application whenever we feel that was necessary. For example, we applied about 4 or 5 releases in version 9, and it only took a couple hours. And that's because Mobiecom conforms to the v9 architecture. If you're looking to migrate to IDC, we will follow the same process as a version 9 migration. So now that we have looked at everything, we talked about headless commerce, we talked about Mobiecom and how it fits in the picture of the migration or new websites. What remains to discuss is our offer. So we want to help you figure out if Mobiecom is the right solution for you. So we have been a long-time fan of WebSphere Commerce, and I'm sure a lot of you are feeling the same. Contrary to what people are saying, WebSphere Commerce is very solid as a platform. It works, and it keeps on working. So when you have, invested in WebSphere Commerce, why looking at other platforms, unless you have some, specific needs. We are here for you, and we can succeed together. In parting, I would like to leave you with our contact information. And here's a website that you can use to book a 30 appointment with us, so we can talk about your specific needs and how we can work together. Thank you for your attention, and I look forward to meeting each and every one of you. Thank you.